Vande Gurnam Sharananavinde Sandarashita Swatma Sukhavabode Nishreyase Jangalekaya Mane Samsara Hala Hala Mohashantyaye Abaho Parushakaram Shankachakrase Darinam Sahasra Sharasam Shwetam Pranamami Patanjalim. Hello and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Krista Shirley and this is Yoga with Krista. If you're learning the Ashtanga Yoga practice through my tutorials and guided classes here on YouTube, I encourage you to honor your body. If you have any questions about today's video, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to experience an in-person or live stream yoga class with me, I would love to have you join us for an upcoming class. I teach Monday through Friday mornings at 7 a.m. in Winter Park, Florida, and I live stream all of those yoga classes. Head to theyogashala.org to learn more. And if you'd like some practice aids to assist you with building and advancing your at-home yoga practice, I've created practice cards and a yoga poster of the primary and intermediate series sequences. Simply head to olotita.com to get yours today. Smash that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips, tutorials, and guided classes. What if there was a life insurance plan that rewarded you for living a better, healthier life? What if you could use your exercise and good habits to not just reduce your premiums, but also get exclusive discounts on food, travel, and fitness tech? Start living the good life today with plans as low as $15 a month. You can gain access to a special rewards program that converts your daily steps and healthy life choices into free stuff and big discounts on major platforms. You can explore your options for establishing financial security well into your retirement and beyond with annuities that can provide guaranteed lifetime income for you and your loved ones. Visit thegoodlife.gg for more information, or text or call the number on your screen to speak to an agent directly.